Ensonga z'amasannyalaze zikutte wansi ne waggulu. Ababaka batabukidde Minisita Ruth Nankabirwa annyonnyole ekyaviiriddeko ebbibiro ly'e Isimba okuggalawo ekyaleetedde eggwanga okutandika okufuna ekibululu.
You generate the power, you fail to transmit. You're killing our money. The country is losing. It is not a joke. This country is going down because people are not sincere. The ministers we appoint are not open to Ugandans.
Madam Speaker, there's a problem. There's still a problem which has to be investigated. The Committee of Natural Resources should investigate through you, right, Honourable Speaker.
Kyokka Minisita mu kwerwanako bano abategezeza ng'ekyaviiriddeko obuzibu bwe kikyanoonyerezebwako era ebbanga eritali lyawala wakuvaayo annyonnyole eggwanga.
Because of the shutdown of Isimba was not due to too much water, rainwater outside. Read my report properly.
Please, Honourable, continue. You're protected.
The plant flooded by water which ingressed into because of the works, maintenance works. A malfunction occurred, causing flow of water into the powerhouse, and investigations are underway to establish the exact cause of this incident.
Bano bakimutaddeko nti Isimba okuvaako kandi banga kagendereko abantu abamu abagezigezi abaagala okukozesa omukisa guno okuguza gavumenti amasannyalaze bo beeyolera omuliri gw'ensimbi.
And there are chances that it was intentional. Right, Honourable Speaker, I need the Minister to pick interest in this. The people that are managing Isimba are the same people that are managing the thermal in Namanva and so on. Right, Honourable Speaker, pick interest after the shutdown of Isimba, the cost of thermal for this country that you will see.
Waliwo obweraliikirivu nti kino kyandiviirako bbeeyi y'amasannyalaze okwongezebwa. Wabula Minisita Nankabirwa agumizza bannauganda nti bbeeyi y'amasannyalaze tegenda kweyongera.
This incident is not going to be felt in the end user tariff. In other words, we are not going to increase the tariff now because of what happened. We always rebase the tariff in January, and you have been reducing systematically.
Minisita atangaazizza eggwanga nti Uganda esunda amasannyalaze obungi bwa megawatts 378 kyokka tukozesaako megawatts 9. Ono bamutadde ku nninga annyonnyole lwaki Uganda erina amasannyalaze mangi geetakozesa.
How would you start generating what you know you cannot evacuate? Why wouldn't you start with the process of taking this power to the people before you even go and construct it?
Power from some of the plants is not fully evacuated due to lack of transmission distribution infrastructure that we continue to address through increased investment in the sector. To remove that power which is generated to a point where you need it, those are the transmission lines and substations. And from the transmission lines and substations, doesn't end there, you have to do last mile connection.
Ababaka bakkaanyizza nti akakiiko ka Palamenti akavunaanyizibwa ku bugagga obw'ensibo kakola okunoonyereza ku bbibiro ly'e Isimba era kakola alipoota mu wiiki 3.
This Parliament institutes an investigation in the energy sector in this country.
The Committee on Natural Resources to report back in 3 weeks' time. Okay?
Jingo Francis, NTV, Akawungeezi.